What's up guys, this is Sabajit and today we are going to see how to take photos in manual mode. And here we go. This is my camera, Nikon D3400. It's a crop body camera, and by using this camera also you can take good photos like how professionals they shoot. I will teach you how you can take a good photos by using crop body camera. Okay, for shooting good photos basically you need to concentrate three settings, which is ISO, shutter speed as well as focus. So if you want to take clarity as well as very sharp photos, you need to follow such instructions which I am going to teach you, which means always you have to focus in shoot manual mode. If you go through with auto mode, it would be utter mistake, I would say, because if you take in manual mode, it would be very clear and crystal, like the image gets how do you think. You can take photos by using auto mode, but if you take photos by using auto mode, it won't be good, because I'm telling the reason. The clarity it goes down and the sharpness it too goes down, and it would be very noisy. It don't get as how you think, I would say it's utter wrong. People do nowadays, they don't know how to shoot sharp photo. Only you get sharp photo if you try to shoot by manual mode. I will show you how to take. Let's get into the video. So guys, as you see, my camera is in auto mode. This mark it indicates the mode priority mode, so I'm going to turn it into manual mode. Yes, right now it's in manual mode. Here we go. As a beginner, you have to use this button, which means it would be easy for you to change settings and all. So press the LV button, and as you can see the scenery it's too dark, right? So as you can see, it's I button over here. Press it and straight away go to 100, press OK button and increase. I switched into 400. Right now it's okay, but I have increased the ISO up to 400. It's not sufficient light, so you can adjust this button for get more brightness. Yeah, right now it's pretty good. So you can adjust this button up to 80. Please don't go up after 80, which means it becomes very shaky. You can easily take photos by 180 and don't go beyond that. Okay, and if you increase the ISO button more than 1600, you can use obviously up to 1600. If you go more than that, see, brightness will adjust, but the problem with this is picture quality it get reduced. So I recommend you to keep the ISO button according to the scenery. You can use ISO button up to 1600. Please don't go after that. Okay, and if you need to get such a good clarity image, try to shoot with 100. Yeah, 100, but it's not possible to shoot 100 if it is evening. So by that time we have to get the help from ISO and try to switch into 800. Yeah, 800. If it is too brightness, you can increase this button to like this. If you slightly increase this, it gets dim, so you could take photos right now. See, it's perfect. Guys, the main thing you have to follow is focus button, which means you have to always put manual mode, either autofocus mode, because don't keep this AFF button. If you keep this, it goes as like its wish. And please try to maintain your camera with this option, then it would be easy for you to autofocus. Or if you become as a professional, you could shoot manual focus. Or if you are going to shoot some wedding as well as some very big function, I recommend you to use this option. Yeah, this option is slightly good because if when the place you need to use autofocus, this autofocus option it really helps you. So I recommend you to use this. As a beginner, you can use this. So guys, finally I'm gonna tell you how to capture photos. Yeah, this is the capture button which you have to actually capture. So by setting all these settings, finally if it is okay, press this shutter button half in a way. Like, yeah, if you do like this, then sound comes from the speaker, beep sound it comes. So by the time if it is focused, the screen shows it's green in color, which means right now your camera is ready to take photos. So you could press the shutter release button like strongly, which means yeah, you have taken a photo. Guys, you have to take photos like this exactly how I have shown you. I hope that you have understood everything which I have shown in this tutorial. Please go ahead. So guys, finally I hope that you all would have understood this video. So if you want to contact me, in the description box I will give my phone number as well as my Instagram ID. If you have any doubts regarding this, please don't forget to contact me. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Wait. Don't forget to hit the bell button, okay? Bye.